What's going on, everybody? So, had a little red day today, down like 3% in Webull, and let's see, down $23, which is about 5% in Thinkorswim. So down 5 and down 3. Not too good. I don't like that. But let's see what I traded today. So AMDL is one that I traded today. I lost $13.94 on it. Well, once I find the end here. So yeah. It popped up. And it couldn't hold. This was the AMD 2X long shares. They had some positive news on AI today, and that's what made that jump up. I figured it'd continue running because there was a gap fill that could have happened, but it didn't hold, and I couldn't continue holding. So I lost $13.94 in that one. Another one that I traded was Rime, R-I-M-E. And Rime, I could have done a little bit better on this one, but it was just another one that was real choppy, and there was just a lot of people shorting it. So you never know when that's going to flush on you. Obviously, there were some areas where I could have gotten capitalized, but I ended up getting out right back here, 217. So got out down here at the low. Fun. But you never know when it's just going to flush straight through. I mean, this blue line is a long, it's the 233 average. So that's a long Fibonacci curve or lines. Then it's the 61.8 or 62.8. I can't remember, but on both sides. And then there's normally a midline right here, but I took it out. There's already enough lines on here for anybody that's looking at this, really. And then so I lost $9.04 on Rime, when that could have been a win if I held into it a little bit longer. But like I said, you never know when it's going to flush. The one that I missed, and it's currently still going up, is EDSA. I didn't trade that one live. It popped up. I got it on my scanner around 11 o'clock, I think. And it was, well, it was already hit my scanner earlier, but it was just not one that I felt like. I mean, I thought it was only going to go to 139. If I take you over here to the 4-hour chart, you can see that this blue line right here, like I was saying, it's a long moving average. It can stop right there, or it can bust through like it did. So it busts through. Its next line is up here at 172. Do I think it's going to get there today? I don't know. I mean, there's a lot of people that were shorting this one too. Could get a short squeeze up to there, or my guess is this is probably it. But I got into this one in Webull. So I'll shift you over here to Webull. you'll see that I'm down. I'm down 3.20%, $14.60. I got into this. I also bought Rime in this as well. Lost a little bit in Rime. But EDSA, let's see here if I can get the shares on here or not. Day. It should be on there. Maybe I got to zoom in. Yeah, okay, so there they are. So you can see I bought in right here. I wanted to get 44, but it was just hovering right here at 39. I didn't want to be greedy, so I sold out for just a slight profit. Again, I'd already lost in several of my trades. This was going to be the third loser. And I don't like having a bunch of losers under my belt. But sometimes you can't do anything about it, and it's just how it works. So we're going to call that for today. A slight loss, and we'll be back at it tomorrow to see what the market has in store for us. Hopefully it picks up, because right now it's just slow. I mean, real slow. So we'll see what tomorrow brings, and have a good one.